Hello everyone. Let us see 13th main. Answer the following questions. In that, question number 32. Name the following. First one. Structures that prevent the collapsing of air passage part of trachea in humans is called what? Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೇಷಿಯಾ ಕೊಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this structure is called rings of cartilage. See, this is the cartilage ring. The main function of this cartilage ring is it always keeps this air passage open. Air passage open ಆಗಿ ಇರೋ ತರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. So ಆ ತರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ, it prevents the collapsing of air passage part of trachea in the humans. That is the main function of the rings of cartilage. So the structure that prevents the collapsing of air passage part of trachea in human is called rings of cartilage. In 32nd question, second one, nitrogenous chemicals that are separated from the blood by the kidney is called what? Okay, see, this is the kidney. We know that what is the main function of kidney. Yes, kidney main function ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it filters the blood. That is the main function, and again it performs so many functions. ಹಾಗೆ it regulates the blood pressure. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಕಿಡ್ನಿದು. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ the another important function of the kidney is it helps to excrete the waste things, right? ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Here the nitrogenous chemicals that are separated from the blood by the kidney, that is called what? That is called urea and uric acid. See, this is also one type of waste. It helps to remove this waste. So that is the answer. Thank you.